Hello, poetry fans. I'd like to share with you a brand new published poem of mine, The Glad Sounds of Eating. To eat is human, for it is then that we are truly revealed, putting our mouths around what will become ourselves. Yet how rarely is it depicted in art, in full, gaping, masticating detail. Instead, we get paintings of fruit or soup cans, or people gabbing around a table, while ignoring gustatory delicacies in plain view. You would think Edward Hopper could have shown the two women actually eating some chop suey. And would it have killed Norman Rockwell to include among all those grateful Americans gleefully greeting their turkey, a chubby little boy in the corner stuffing his face with dinner rolls? And all those paintings of the Last Supper? Forget it. There's nary a nibble, not even from Judas before heading out for the evening. Thank goodness for Bruegel, who knew a peasant wedding feast when he saw one, with real people chowing down and licking their fingers. You can hear the glad sounds of eating. But there is no joy in Goya's Saturn devouring his son. As a wild-eyed Saturn grasps his son's body like a Big Mac, its pale, limp buttocks hanging below white knuckles to take another bloody bite. I guess that's why Goya left his painting not for show, but on the plaster wall of his dining room, and why so few painters elected to portray the darker things that go on at dinner time.